Hello, this is Steve, Dichroic Glass Man. Introducing Part 5, a complete and comprehensive guide on making dichroic glass bevels and jewels, like what you're seeing here. Dichroic bevels and jewels and hummingbirds. These are complete view dichroic bevels and jewels. In other words, from side to side, top to bottom, wall to wall, all dichro. And the cool part about it is you can't touch or scratch the dichro. These are the only ones in the world produced this way, as compared to this type of dichroic bevel that you may have seen where only just the center is partially coated. And you don't get the dichroic effect of seeing through the dichro like you do on these. These are spectacular. They're cheap to make, called cold process, cold working. And at this point of looking at these dichroic jewels and thinking of all the possibilities how they can work in yours, just think, you can invest in the whole process for cheaper than it cost you to buy this kiln. For the lamp workers, this is about a $900 kiln. Or if you're making dichroic cabochons, this is called the Hot Shot, selling for as much as $900. Really, the most expensive tool you're going to need in making in this process is going to be a standard conventional glass grinder. This is one made by Griffin. And this is one made by England called the Wizard. And the next one is by Glass Star, which is called the All-Star. That would be the most expensive piece of equipment it's going to take to make dichroic glass bevels and jewels so that you can use them in your panels like this example here. Or a close-up of these bevels and jewels, as shown here. So with this idea in mind of dichroic glass bevels and jewels, you can invest in the whole process, the tools, the dichroic, and everything for cheaper than it's going to cost you to make a dichroic glass cabochon and buy that expensive kiln. Can you imagine the possibilities? Contact me through my website, through the email supplied. This is Steve. Thanks for watching.